Hey everyone, this is Kirk Roldan, and in this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can compete with your big competitors. So even though your gym business is small, or even though you are brand new in SEO or in organic marketing, you still can compete with those giants out there in Google, no? So I want you to follow this guide because this is very important to you. To those gym owners, this is what you are going to do and follow it, okay? So, you can use any tools out there. It's either free or paid, but in this demonstration, I'm going to use a paid one, which is Ahrefs. I love this because I'm using this on a daily basis. There's a lot of features out there, not to promote them, but I use this all the time, okay? So with that being said, once you have an account here, I'm not promoting anything, but I just want to guide you how I use it. So when you are logged in, the first thing you need to do is to go to Keyword Explorer. Okay, Keyword Explorer. Then when you are here, you need to type your industry. Or this is also applicable to other industry, but I'm going to demonstrate with gym. Okay, so gym is one of the competitive industries out there. Okay, so I want you to add it here, your industry. So for this demonstration, I use gym. And then it's very important that you need to put only the country that you are trying to rank or dominate. So for this, I use gym in United States. And then I hit search. So right now, I'm not going to use gym as our keyword because that is very competitive and there's a lot of competition out there. And this keyword as well is very difficult. As you see here, super hard. You need to have at least 235 referring domains to rank in top 10. So it's very competitive and I'm not using that for now. Okay? So, in order for us to get good keywords out there that we can use and dominate and outrank our competitors, here's what you are going to do. So, below, as you can see here, we have keyword ideas. So, terms match, question, also rank for. So, as you can see here, below, these are the search result for 10 results here. We have Planet Fitness. So, as you can see here, the domains and backlinks. So, this is competitive. Why? Because as you can see here, in order for you to dominate, you need to have this, no? Domain 7,197. They have 132, 813 backlinks out there for Planet Fitness alone. Okay? So I'm not going to use gym. Now, what I'm going to demonstrate here is what you can also do. Like for example here, I will go to question base. So these are informational keywords that you can also use. So here I will click view all. All right. So we are here now. As you can see here, they call long tail keywords because they are very long, no? How to cancel gym membership. So as you can see here, it's a mix of competitive keywords which has a high keyword difficulty. So as you can see here, no, up to 100 keyword difficulty. So the higher the difficulty is, the higher the competition is as well. So as you can see here, 53 is high. But now, what are we going to do here? Number one, focus on long tail keywords because they are not more competitive. Second, focus on low keyword difficulty. So how can I do that here? So first thing, what you can do is to check this one. Let's say from 1 to 30 keyword difficulty only. So I'm going to click apply and then click show results. So right now, it sorts out the keyword difficulty up to 30 only. No, not more than that. So they are all green. As you can see that. So they are all informational keywords. Now, what you can do here, it's up to you. Based on the keywords that you want to use, or if they are relevant to you, to your business, then use that. If not, then it's up to you. Okay? So what I can do here is I can sort them and then I can add it to keyword list. You can create your own keyword list as well. Then it will be added there. So for the future use. Or you can also click export and then you can export it. That's how you do it. Okay? Second step, here's what you need to do. Now let's go back to the overview, and then you can also check your competitors and see what are the keywords that they are using right now. All right, so let's proceed for the second strategy. Now you need to go to overview, and then once you are here, so let's try to check Planet Fitness, what he's doing, and then let's go to his keywords. So he got a lot, 5,081, which is a lot, right? And then here you can see all his keywords. Okay, all his keywords. So there are Planet Fitness. So we don't need to use that because that is their brand keyword. So same thing that we do earlier, we can sort them again for monthly volume, etc. But for this, I will sort it with the keyword difficulty from 0 to 30 only. And then I will show result. So as you can see here, everything that you see here, all the keywords only maximum of a KD of maximum 30. So you can see here, they are not competitive anymore since they are only maximum of 30. And then we can use these keywords. Now, we can see there are a lot of duplicates, right? So what we can do here, they only have 2,840. What you can do here is to export them. So let's say, okay, let's try it. All right, so you have all the keywords here. You can also remove the duplicates here, but I will do it like this. I'm going to copy, or let's say, you can delete this if you want. I will copy everything. And then I will go to ChatGPT. So here in the ChatGPT, I will paste all the keywords. All right, these are all their keywords. And I will type remove any duplicates only. Now, what I can do here as well is to cluster them into relevant silos. All right, so here are the keywords that you can use. Okay. Now, again, don't use any Planet Fitness membership, Planet Fitness. See that one? These are all the keywords extracted. You can also remove the keyword Planet Fitness. See? So these are the keywords that you can use. They provide you personal training, gym comparisons, hours of availability, wellness, fitness class, and a lot more. Now, you cannot use this directly. You still need to check if this keyword is valuable for you. So you need to check if there are people searching for this keyword, because if it's none, then it's useless for you to use this. Okay? Next step, you need to prepare your competitor, and then you will get their sitemap so we can see what they are doing there, what are the pages post. So for this demonstration, like when you are here on their website, just do it sitemap.xml. So here you can see their post, pages, category, and everything. So hit that. Right now you can see all their posts. Right now, just copy it. Once you're done, go back to ChatGPT and then enter, and then I will type this, separate the keywords and remove any duplicate. So what ChatGPT is doing now, they gathered all their keywords from the URL itself. They are instructing them. The hidden engine, explosive performance, everything that it's added here, the keywords, they are instructing them here. So clean keywords, deduplicated. All right. So it's not done yet. What I'm going to do now is to cluster them and turn into relevant silo. See that one? So I have keywords from core page, reporting page, silo 2, silo 3. So you can use these keywords, guys. Still need to check their keywords or these keywords if they have search results. Because if it's not, then don't use it. Okay? So that's it for this demonstration. I hope to see you guys on my next videos. Take care.